Welcome to Anandi's kitchen. Today we'll make dum aloo. Here I'm using baby potatoes. Let's see how we make. I've taken 4 tomatoes which I left them in boiling water for some time and then peel the skin. Here I've taken 6 cashews, 1 green chilli, ginger and tomatoes. All of them I'm going to grind them into a fine paste. And we need some regular masalas I have given in the description box. Here I've taken a pan. I've added 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm going to add my baby potatoes. They are about 15 which I have boiled and removed the skin. I have fried them light golden brown. In another pan, let's take 2 teaspoons of oil and then we are going to put the gravy which we had just ground. Now I'm adding turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera powder and red chilli powder, some pepper, and let's keep the flame medium and keep stirring. Now I've added little salt. Let the gravy boil in medium heat. I'm adding some crushed Kasuri methi. Let's keep the flame medium and keep stirring and cook the masalas till the oil floats. Now I'm adding the garam masala. Let's saute for a while and then now let's add water. I've added 1 big glass of water. You can adjust accordingly and let the masalas boil properly. Now we are going to add the baby potatoes. Keep the flame low. Let the mixture boil for some more time. Let the mixture boil. You can see the oil has come on top. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Our dum aloo is ready. You can serve hot with roti or some jeera rice, even plain rice also. It's a good accompaniment. Just try my way of preparing dum aloo. Yummy, yummy dum aloo. I have used very little of oil so that it is healthy. Thanks for watching.